wrong with my sink? Oh no! Water is not going down. Hello, Mr. Plumber? Yes. I think my sink is clogged. Can you come fix it now? Okay. Thank you, Mr. Plumber. I'll wait for you. Bye. Oh no, I wonder what time he's coming.
Hi, ma'am.
Oh, hi, Mr. Plumber.
Hi.
Hi, can you fix my tank? Because it's clogged. I don't know what's wrong with it. I don't know what happened. The water's not flowing. Can you fix it?
Okay.
Thank you.
There's too much water, ma'am.
Oh no, sir, it's full? So how will I be able to cook now? I won't be able to wash my fruits and vegetables here. What are we gonna do now, sir?
Your tube is broken. We need to replace it. I ordered one, but it won't be here until next week.
Oh no, sir. I won't be able to cook until next week then.
Sorry about that, ma'am. But if you want, you can ask for another kitchen in the store.
But sir, I really like this kitchen. Do you think they have another kitchen like this in the store?
I don't know, ma'am, if they have the same one, but you can just try to take a look.
Okay, sir. I'll just go and take a look if they have the same one. Thank you, sir. See you next week, sir. Bye.
Okay, ma'am. Bye. Oh, you want a kitchen for sale? Well, the one I'm selling is for sale, so you want it delivered? Okay, coming.
Oh, hi, sir.
Hi.
This is perfect. I have a kitchen like this, but it's broken. Can I buy this one?
Sorry, ma'am. Somebody already ordered it, and he wants it delivered.
Oh, is there any way I could get another one like this, sir? Because I really like this kitchen. But right now, mine is clogged. That's why I can't use it.
Oh, no, ma'am. This is our last kitchen. Somebody already ordered it.
Okay, sir. I'll just wait for another one.
Oh, hello, sir.
Hi.
I have a new kitchen for Bryce. Is that you?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Could you just sign right here, please?
Okay.
I really like the kitchen. Wow, that's a nice signature. All right, I'll have it brought down, okay?
Wait, did you say kitchen?
Yes, there's a new kitchen. You should see it. We already assembled it for Bryce.
Yes, your timing is good. You should see the new kitchen.
Here's your new kitchen, sir.
Thank
All
you.
right, congratulations. This is a good addition to your store. Thank you. Nice doing business with you.
Bye.
Bye.
Wow, is this the new kitchen?
Yes.
Wow, I really like it. How does this work, sir?
So here is the freezer. You can put popsicles here. And so here is the fridge where you can put yogurt and eggs.
Wow, that is so good, sir. So how about this? What's this?
It's for cups where you can put drinks. You can put ice, and you can also put water, juice, milk, and that's what you can do.
Okay, I really like that. Oh, it has phone?
Yes.
This comes with a phone?
Yes.
That is so great. How about this? What's this, sir?
And this is the microwave, and this is how you use it. You press buttons which one you want it, and then you press ready. You can put it up to make it hot, and you can put it down to make it like a little hot.
Oh, okay.
And these are your burners.
Okay, sir. These are my knobs?
Yep.
Wow, this is so cool. It has 4 burners. So how about this? What is this, sir?
It's an oven. You can turn it off, high, and you can also
Okay. Broil it?
yes.
And then?
And you can also bake it and clean it. This
Wow.
is how you put it high, and you can just do it how high you want, and
Oh,
it will high
okay.
here.
And it also says here how high is the temperature.
Mhm.
Wow! And it has a timer. Wow, so cool. How about this?
This is your dishwasher. You can clean stuff here and then put them here when you're done with the sink.
Oh, okay. So I can wash my dishes here?
Yes.
Wow! This is so cool, sir. This is a cool kitchen and very, very nice. I really like it. So how much are you selling it for, sir?
$200.
$200? Okay, let me check my wallet, sir, okay?
Okay.
Oh no, sir, I can't find my wallet.
Really? I can't sell this to you then.
I know, I'm so sorry, but wait, sir, wait for me, okay?
Okay.
Oh, excuse me, ma'am. Would you happen to have lost your wallet? I think this is yours.
Oh, yes. Where'd you find it, sir?
Right outside. Here you go.
Oh, thank you so much, sir.
Whoa. Is this a new kitchen?
Oh, hi, Daddy.
Oh, hey. Is
Oh,
this
wow.
a kitchen?
They've delivered it already? I bought it at Bryce's store.
Oh, yeah. I've heard of that store. It's really cool. They have a lot of nice kitchen. Oh,
I
popsicles.
know, right? And look at this.
Nice fridge.
This one, too. Are you hungry, Daddy?
Oh, yeah.
We have cookies.
Nice. Can I have some, please?
Here you go.
Wow. Yummy. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Nice choice in the kitchen.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you for watching.
Well, thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. We're going to make another video, okay? Bye.